What's inside of i13Beauty by 1321's Moisture Concentrate Cream with SPF50? Start your journey to healthier, more beautiful skin with i13Beauty today. Propylene, butylene, and DECYLENE glycol boost absorption, refines texture. Trio enhances efficacy for smoother skin. Hyaluronic acid, LEVULINIC acid, and GARCINIA Hydrates, Exfoliates, Brightens. Trio moisturizes, refines texture, and promotes a glowing complexion for healthy-looking skin. Diamond powder, Amethyst extract, and Tourmaline Energizes, balances, illuminates. Trio invigorates skin, promotes harmony, and enhances radiance for a vibrant complexion. Shop now at www.i13beauty.com and experience the finest in skincare. And our first order special. Get an exclusive 10% of your first purchase. Use code FIRST10 at checkout. Enjoy free delivery on all orders over 200 dirhams because great skin should come with convenience. Flexible payments with Tabby. Split your purchase into 4 easy payments, bringing luxury skincare within reach.